done a few feature films, which I think you now will start seeing the light of the day. And
Been there, sister, been there.
Been there, done that.
I'll normally say that I don't need to watch Bigg Boss to know Ranveer.
I saw like bits and pieces of it.
before Bigg Boss, okay?
Yeah, much before Bigg
I
Boss.
haven't seen it.
I saw bits and pieces of it beach mein.
No food, no sleep. I don't
सारी
think-
acting भूल जाते हैं.
सारा acting क्या आत्मा भूल जाते हैं वहाँ पे.
One should not look at it as अरे there is a time where I don't have any work. वो होगा ही आपके career में.
Not having choice of work is a luxury. But
Yeah.
having no offers is a tough period. Because a lot of times people from the outside think, oh, he's a good actor, so he's rich. Which is not the case.
People like me, Manoj, हम लोग जिद्दी हैं. We are just obstinate. I don't think Sachin has scored a century in every match, right? He has gone out for 0 as well, in spite of being Sachin.
And then he finally gave me a role where 90% of the time I was a dead body.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shosha. I am Titas Chowdhury in conversation with Ranvir Shorey, Kirti Kulhari, Rasika Dugal and Kay Menon. Hello.
Oh, wow, you got all the names right.
Yeah.
Of course. I did my research. Also, I know all of you. So,
In short, she has to research to know us.
Yeah.
no, I don't need to. That's what
She quickly corrected herself.
How are you all?
All good.
Good.
Good, good. Just
So
getting
far, so good.
started.
Great. You know, when we heard that this is Shekhar Home, which is like set against the backdrop of Bengal, and of course is like a tribute of sorts to Sherlock Holmes. That one-liner idea is very exciting in itself, and we were just discussing. We all wanted to see, how does that really play out? What was that your first reaction to when you got the one-liner that this is Sherlock Holmes set in Kolkata?
It is not Sherlock Holmes, first and foremost.
Okay,
It is definitely Arthur Conan Doyle and his stories. Shekhar Home is pretty different from Sherlock Holmes.
Oh, okay.
And Home is a legitimate surname
It is.
in Bengal. So everything is legitimate. And only thing is that, yes, of course, it's a detective series. It's all those things are there. And it's Arthur Conan Doyle, so people will kind of correlate the two. But Shekhar Home is Shekhar Home.
The separate entity.
Separate
you're
entity,
saying?
and it's set in the 1990s, etc. So it's completely different.
Okay.
And in India, in rural areas, it's completely different.
Do you want to add something to that?
For me, I think it was, detective series inspired from Arthur Conan Doyle, Kay Menon playing the detective. For me, that was it. I was like, okay, I'm on. So it's very exciting to, have such inspiring material from which you're starting off with, and to have it set as an original detective series in India and in Bengal, which I know Bengal loves detectives. So so it was very exciting.
Yeah. It's actually the hub of a lot of detective novels and characters.
Byomkesh, Bakshi.
Yeah.
Feluda is my favorite.
Oh, you've read all
I
of
used to
them.
love them.
You guys grew up on detective books, or
As a kid, I used to, I think, read Enid Blyton, I think.
Yeah,
I love how KK said as a kid.
Yeah. I was this short, no? Now I've become tall.
Hardy Boys.
Yeah.
All those.
Find out.
All the fives,
But even
famous
Arthur
fives.
Conan
Yeah, five
Doyle, I read
famous
that
fives.
as a kid.
Okay.
The stories also.
Agatha
Sherlock
Christie
also.
and
The Five Find Outers had this guy who used to disguise himself
Who?
all the
नहीं याद है
time.
अब हम
Fatty
इतने
करके
नहीं
character होता था. And he used to
Yeah, yeah,
disguise
yeah.
himself.
correct.
And he used to use invisible ink.
And Karan
Oh
Johar.
yeah.
That was my
Karam
favorite.
Chand, yes.
Karamchand, of course.
That was Anu Kapoor.
No.
Who's Karam
That
Chand?
was
Pankaj Kapoor. Yes.
Pankaj
Kapoor. Yeah.
But in the trailer you also refer to yourself saying ki Satyanishi, that is the word you use. So Satyanishi is actually used for Byomkesh Bakshi, in Bengal. So this is like
Satyanishi
synonymous.
is the guy who seeks truth.
Yeah.
So it can be anybody.
Yeah, but in Bengal it means Byomkesh.
Now
Bakshi.
they'll refer to
Really?
Yeah.
now they'll refer to Sherlock Holmes as Satyanishi.
Now it'll change, is what he's saying.
In Bengal, the copywriters will.
You can't mess with that.
Yeah.
That is.
No, but actually, when you talk about readers, like, who are into detective novels and stuff like that, the world is actually divided into Sherlock Holmes and Byomkesh Bakshi. There I'm talking about at least. Why are you laughing?
I don't know. My point is Sherlock Holmes, I think, is an international phenomena. Byomkesh Bakshi is
I know homegrown.
possibly a pan-Indian phenomenon at
Yeah.
best.
Yeah.
Isn't Feluda popular in
It
Bengal?
is. He is,
Huh.
of course. But I'm just saying, if you look at it from a surface level, it's like divided into two.
I can tell you're Bengali, right?
I am.
Yeah,
She is.
Yeah.
But
I could
haven't
tell from that
read
comparison.
Feluda. I haven't
Huh?
read. Sorry, what did you
I
say?
said I could tell from that comparison that you made.
I am just stating facts, genuinely.
But are
The
you?
world is divided between Sherlock Holmes and Byomkesh
Byomkesh
Bakshi.
Bakshi. There I'm talking about.
But Bengalis
The
are.
world in Bengal, you mean?
Yeah,
Okay,
Bengal
okay, okay. I
said.
thought you said the world
No.
is divided between Sherlock Holmes and Byomkesh Bakshi. I thought there was a huge bump up for Byomkesh Bakshi. That's all. Anyway,
In my defense, I'm not Delulu.
okay,
Genuinely.
okay.
Sorry, you were saying something? Something
No, I was saying
oh,
that.
yes,
So,
yes.
are you very because you are from Bengal? The series is set in Bengal. Are you very excited about it yourself?
I am.
I love how I've turned the interview around.
Yeah,
No, I genuinely am. So we have watched a lot of films based on these, popular characters
Yeah.
in Bengal.
Yeah.
And it is interesting, actually. The trailer is very interesting. The backdrop, because of course maybe I'm.
But
a
also,
little
we have a
partial.
lot of lovely Bengali actors in the show.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I
Kaushik
think we
Sen
are.
is
We, I mean,
Kaushik Sen,
we loved. Yeah.
Rudranil.
Yeah.
Very good.
Both very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we.
Rudranil is just pure genius.
Yes, he is.
He's pure genius.
He is.
Yeah,
What he
absolutely.
does with minimal dialogue is just out of this world.
Yeah,
You're
absolutely.
going to love him in it. Yeah.
Kirti, I have a question for you. Where were you? It's been a while.
Where was I? I think
hiding.
that might be the question people might be asking after watching the trailer also. It's almost like coming to it like, where is Kirti?
Huh?
I did ask that question.
We saved the best for the
In,
last.
in hiding.
I
Ooh,
don't know what
big
that
clue.
means.
Yeah.
Big clue.
Where have I been? I have been around here. I have done a bunch of things, but unfortunately, the industry we belong to, जब तक वो काम बाहर दिखता नहीं है, लोगों को लगता है कि अरे कुछ हो नहीं रहा है life में, right? So I have been very much around. I have, done a few feature films, which I think you now will start seeing the light of the day. And
Been there, sister, been there.
been there, done that. And I've also gotten into production, so that is also something I've been very, very busy with. But yes, I think it'll all. I think जब आएगी फिर एक बाढ़ आएगी. So let's just wait for that.
Yeah, waiting
Yeah.
for that. Absolutely.
too.
Did you watch him in Bigg Boss, all three of you?
I didn't have the time, but as I'll normally say that I don't need to watch Bigg Boss to know Ranveer.
That is
Yeah.
true.
But it was a different Ranveer.
We've spent enough time together.
Yeah.
I saw like bits and,
and
pieces of
before
it.
Big Boss. Okay?
Yeah, much before.
I
Bigg
haven't
Boss.
seen
Yeah.
it.
I saw
but I
bits and
want
pieces
to.
of it beach mein. Like,
Okay.
just
And I
to
didn't
get a
watch
glimpse
it also
of.
because I would then catch him acting. I know him very well.
Although I wasn't.
Ah, you weren't
There's
actually.
there's
yeah.
no-
There's no scope to act.
No, there's with that no food, no sleep. I don't
सारी
think-
acting
I don't
भूल
think-
जाते हैं।
सारा acting क्या आत्मा भूल जाते हैं वहाँ पे.
The Atmaless Ranveer is yours.
Yeah, it's like for 2.5 days
So
you're hungry,
less.
all the characters are escaping you, and then your Atma also joins. And you're like grabbing onto your Atma and saying, "नहीं, तू मत जाना, तू वापस आ."
But Ranveer, before you went there, I'm bringing up this conversation because I want to take, ask all of you about it. So you said that my primary reason of going there was because I was not getting the kind of work that I wanted to do. And perhaps it's also, the monetary thing. You, I remember, sir, in 2018 had also spoken about, the lack of work offers.
Did I? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take it for whatever. Then
Yeah, and I just wanna-
2018.
Yeah, this
Okay.
was in an interview I was
okay.
reading yesterday. You said that. I just want to ask the two of you also, have you been through these patches? Not initially, I'm assuming there would be, such time periods when you felt like, I'm not getting the kind of work that I deserve. But even after you started your career, were there these moments in your career, lull?
Yeah, I think for me, it's I do go through these patches where I am not exactly getting what I'm looking for next, because also in your own journey, you want to do better than what you have done before, right? So there's a graph that you sort of want to maintain, and the quality of work. So there are patches when you don't, what you really want is not coming your way. So yeah, I mean, it happens to me even today. So it's something that you have to. I think now I'm just better capable of maneuvering through it and not letting it get to me, you know. But I think that's the only difference. Otherwise, yeah, these patches come and go for me for sure.
Yeah.
I think it happens in any creative person's journey, and one should not look at it as, "Arey, there is a time where I don't have any work." वो होगा ही आपके career में. That's a part of this kind of business, you know, and you have to be prepared for that. And I don't like it when people make a big deal of it, you know. It's like, "Arey, there was a patch in your time." No, there are times, like Kirti said, you know, you want something creatively that's not available to you, and that will happen, and you should have the option to sort of opt out or give in to doing everything at that time also. So those are calls that people take as creative people at any point in their career, and that's bound to happen.
Yeah. But how do you like really slot it? Do you think it's the lack of work or the lack of good work? Because there's a difference between the two.
I've seen both. But normally when I say it, it means lack of any work.
Okay.
Frankly, you know, not having choice of work is a luxury. But having no offers is a tough period. And I've seen it more than once in my career. And I don't feel ashamed to talk about it because it's part of an actor's life, and I don't think there's any harm in expressing it. Because a lot of times people from the outside think, oh, he's a good actor, so he's rich, which is not the case with a lot of good actors.
So yeah, I don't know the context in which I must have said it. I don't know.
Yeah.
But since you have said 2018, that's before the OTT boom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there must be a context to it.
Yeah.
So I think it was mostly to do with the fact, I think, that cinema, the films that we see in theatre, there the scope for us, people like us, had reduced. Because all through our life, we had no choice but to work as a villain somewhere or something like that. You know? So people like me, Manoj, हम लोग ज़िद्दी हैं. We are just obstinate.
Yeah.
We continued. There are people perhaps even more talented than us who have fallen by the wayside because they didn't have the tenacity to hold on. We held on. And as a result, when the OTT thing came in, wherein stars really don't work, it's acting per se, things just sort of flowered. And as they were saying that that lull will happen. I mean, it's not that... I don't think Sachin has scored a century in every match, right? He's gone out for 0 as well. In spite of being Sachin. So it's not that, you know, but as long as you're honestly, you know, assessing yourself as an actor, you should derive satisfaction from that, you know, and say that, okay, if I'm good enough, it will come.
Absolutely.
But I think as you are a little more successful, you're earning a little more money, तो आप ये lull periods में जो आपका desperation होता है because maybe you're running out of money, because maybe you know you are feeling insecure about okay what's next, what's going to happen, you can hold on to, you know, you can sustain in that lull period better because you have the resources now. मतलब आपको पैसे के लिए कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, मतलब as usually ऐसा होता है. कभी कभार of course even that goes out of the window. But yeah, I think he spoke about tenacity, but there's also a practical side to it of just being able to sustain, you know, your, I won't even say your lifestyle, क्योंकि lifestyle तो आप जितनी बढ़ाते हैं उतनी बढ़ सकती है. But to be able to, you know, just stick to what you have and just stay put till the tide changes, you know, and something comes your way.
But I'm sure that's also difficult, right?
Of course
because
it
really
is.
shakes
Of
you
course
up,
it is. I don't think, that's what I'm saying. It's as you grow older, wiser, आप ये पहली चीज आप सीखनी शुरू करते हैं कि how to sort of, you know,
How to save.
stay put, you know, when things are not going in your
Savings.
favor. Yeah,
How to
also
have
save.
savings.
Yeah. So नहीं यार, मतलब of course मुश्किल होती है, but it's not life threatening. It's like, you know, you just give it time and it'll pass.
In fact, even when we were starting out and there were periods where we didn't have work, I felt like I was better equipped at that time. I had lesser to lose and I had more of a sense of humor about things around me. And I was able to tide over those times. I feel, in fact, even better than now.
Also, I want to point out, there's two kinds of actors. One who, sorry to say, you know, be so this thing, you know, if I'm offending anyone, but some who have like, okay, you know, parents send a stipend or something, or don't have a money issue in their life.
Have a support system back
Yeah,
home,
so they are here for the fame and the fortune. But there are other actors like myself who depend on acting to pay their bills.
Yeah.
You know, for them it is there's no plan B, and that becomes though for those people it's a slightly more pressing matter, I feel.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. But no, kudos to you actually spoke about it. I mean, a few years back, Neena Gupta spoke about it, and that's when, this flood of offers came, and we know where she is right now. Before we wrap this up, I just have one question. Tell me, what was the funniest way in which a director convinced you to be a part of their film, if you remember?
Funniest way?
Funniest and the funniest reason कि आपको इस वजह से इस शो में काम करना चाहिए, मूवी में काम करना चाहिए, because I've heard a lot of the actors saying that directors tell them a lot of weird things.
So for me, I'll say this. I came in at the end.
Yeah.
Matlab, I was pretty much the last person to be cast.
In
And
this one.
In this one. And my director was Rohan. Rohan I had done CJ with. तो रोहन नहीं बोलेगा आपको. मुझे प्रोड्यूसर ने फोन करके बोला, listen कुछ है, do you want to check it out? I said if it's fun, I will do it. It's not rocket science for me. If it's fun, I will do it. So they didn't have to say much. I just said I'm here to have fun. मजा आएगा तो मैं करूँगी, and clearly it was a lot of fun for me. Yeah.
For me, the funniest casting thing for me was actually David Dhawan sir. So I was just fresh off these few mainstream films that I had done, Tiger or something like that. So he called me and he said, how David sir is na, तू बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है बेटा, बहुत अच्छा एक्टर, तू कितना क्या काम करता है तू रणवीर, और मैं प्लीज तू एक कर पिक्चर में, डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब, ही वाज मेकिंग विद गोविंदा, दिस वाज लाइक दे वर कमिंग बैक टुगेदर. ये सब मेरे को ऐसे बोल के, और मैं डेविड सर मतलब ही इज लाइक अ बॉक्स ऑफिस आइकॉन, और मैंने उस प्रेशर में मैंने हाँ सर पक्का ओके करते हैं, एंड देन ही फाइनली गेव मी अ रोल वेयर 90% of the time I was a dead body. I'll never forget that. तू बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है.
Do not disturb.
हाँ तू काम करता है.
He stayed true to the title of it. Do not disturb. It's a dead
For me,
body.
that's a really funny story. I remember.
Do you recall anything?
No, I think नहीं, अभी को अभी तक ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है उस प्रकार का.
Thankfully so. No, I'm just saying, I think you should put on your thinking caps for a moment, because I'm going to throw some mystery cases at you. You've got to solve it.
Okay.
Oh.
Are these
Wake up,
the
guys,
silly
wake up.
ones or which really need brains?
It will need a
Right?
little bit
What
of
will you
brain.
I'll accordingly switch that part of my brain. Remember
No.
the thing we
Well,
did?
suddenly she brings out a
I
bag
was
and all.
thinking.
No, you have to put on your thinking
Okay,
cap.
ठीक
A
है,
little
done.
bit.
तो suddenly एक बैग आएगा, एक 1 minute.
अच्छा, ध्यान से सुनना, ठीक है? Every day, a woman was seen crossing the border, carrying bags of sand on a motorbike.
Crossing the border.
Yes. After some time, the border police became suspicious and stopped her, but found out that she only had sand with her, so they let her go. What was the woman actually smuggling across the border?
The bags.
No. Bags के अंदर ही तो sand था
The
ना?
bike.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Bike.
well done.
On a bike.
Yeah, she was
On a
doing
bike.
it on a bike.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. A man entered his house and was about to hang up his coat when he heard his wife shouting, "No, John, don't do it." There was a shot and he could hear his wife fall down. When he entered the kitchen, he saw his wife and the gun lying on the floor. There was a police officer, a doctor, and a lawyer standing next to her. Who killed the man's wife and how did the man know who it was?
Joe, what's her name?
John.
No, Joe, John. What did she say?
John killed them.
John.
No, है ना?
There was a
But
police.
who was John out of all of them?
There was
Must
a
be the
police
lawyer.
officer.
Why? How do
Gun,
you know?
no?
No, we don't know. We're just guessing.
It is the police officer because उसके पास badge होता है John वाला.
Oh, yeah. See, I am.
Okay.
This
Last
comes so
one.
naturally to me, guys.
Yeah,
Listen,
last one.
can you
Very
can
well.
you please also do inspired material like we have done?
Yeah. With very solid source material.
Yeah.
Last one we'll
हाँ.
do. Okay, ठीक है. A rich and handsome man named James was murdered on a Sunday afternoon. At the time of the murder, there was the maid, the cook, the butler, the gardener, and the wife. and they gave the following statements. The maid said I was fixing the table. The cook said I was cooking breakfast. Butler said I was polishing the silverware and the dishes. The gardener said I was planting tomato seeds, and wife said I was reading a book. So who did it? Who did the murder?
When did the murder happen?
Sunday afternoon.
So it can't be breakfast, right?
Yes.
Who?
What did he say?
Cook. She was cooking breakfast. How can it be breakfast? Afternoon ko mari na.
इसलिए
Right, no?
Ekdam correct.
Good
Thank
casting,
you
good
so
casting.
Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you.
Good luck for everything that we will see you in next. Thank you.
We hope you enjoy the series. I mean,
I am looking
knowing your
forward.
Bengali and you
With no biases, watch
detective
this
series.
Yeah.
I hope it
Thoda
can
bias
become your
nahi
new
hai.
favorite.
We know you're going to be a
Yes.
tough customer, so we are already.
Tough customer.
yeah, tough
So we
tough
already
competition
like
to Byomkesh.
Hope you like it.
Thank you.
Look at it kindly. Look at it as non-Bengalis have made
I
it.
hope the
so
world of
please.
Bengal is divided
Actually,
into
Srijit
Shekhar and
is very Bengali. Srijit is so Bengali, I can't tell you.
It's too Bengali. Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.